card using Valentine's card maker on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can make Valentine's card using Valentine card maker on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type picsart.com to enter the Picsart website. Now, on this home page, make sure you are logged into it. Once you have logged into it, you will reach to this interface. On the top of this interface, you will see a magnifying glass resembling search icon just ahead of your profile picture. Click on it and you will reach to this page where at the top you will see different tools and design options. Hover your cursor to that design option and below you'll find all the template makers. Here find Valentine's card maker, which is just below Christmas card maker under event section. Click on that and now you will reach to this page. The bottom left you will see make a Valentine's Day card now option. Click on it and you are ready to edit your Valentine Day card. Here select the canvas for your card. After selecting the canvas, now click on that templates option at the left sidebar. Then you'll find all the templates for Valentine's card. Make sure you choose the one that doesn't require Plus or Pro subscription. Scroll down to find more cards. Once you find the card you like, click on it to bring it to your canvas. Once you found your card on your canvas, now you can edit it. At the right side you'll find the elements that are included in the templates, and by simply clicking on them you can change or edit them. You can also use this rewrite with AI option. After customizing it as per your preference, you can now download it to your device by clicking on that export button at the upper right and click on that download option. So in this way you can make Valentine's card using Valentine's card maker on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you next video. Stay connected.